Guys, there are so many barcode scanners are available in the market to scan your QR code or normal barcode 1D, 2D, whatever it is. So in front of me, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 legendary models, beautiful models with 5-year warranty for all of this. Let me explain to you one by one. Now let's start from the bottom line. 1D barcode scanner. Look at that. It's 110. Same like line barcodes. Not QR code. 1D barcode. And let me open it in front of you. Look at that. It's a cute device. Really very small, very comfortable, and all the scanners having 5 years warranty. And there is something else available with this package. This is the cable and some leaflet are also available. This is called the catalog. Yes, and there are so many barcodes are available. And don't throw it, because sometimes we need to reset to the factory settings. So we need, of course, this one. And this looks so awesome. We need to connect this cable here in the down, and one end we can connect it to the PC. It's directly plug and play. No need to do any driver installation, nothing. And you can scan as much you can. And the finishing is very good. Quality is very good. And there is an illumination lighting system is behind. Everything is very good. Plastic also is very good. It's very nice. And just after this, you can go to the 2D barcode scanner directly. Look at that. 120 means 2D barcode scanner. Look at that. BPS 120. And the same design, but the configuration is different. Like it's having a capability to scan your QR code as well. Line barcode as well as QR code, both. So let me open it. The same device, same body, but the sensor, the chip is completely different. That is 2D. And the look wise you can understand. Also it's very cute, very nice. And the same accessories available like cable and some booklets. Like, keep it inside. Let's jump into the another model. It's a beautiful model. 2D plus 1D and beauty. Yes, this is a luxury line actually. BPS 250. Let me open it in front of you. Let me unbox it. Yes, and it's look marvelous. So cute. Look at that. Wow. Look at that glossy finishing. And the color, the gray looks so beautiful. And there is a illumination is there. And the complete design is so cute. Really very, very cute. There is a cable. Let me take the another part. There is a cable. Look at that. The one side you will connect it to your computer, another side to your scanner, and it is plug and play. No need to install any kind of drivers. Same, there is a catalog, but don't throw this catalog. As I told you before, sometimes you need to go for a factory reset, then you must need this. Let me keep it inside and just plug it and play. And look at this portion. It's very nice actually. And look at this front side. It looks so beautiful. Well done engineering actually. And when you come to the side portion, look at this. The illumination start from this end to up to here. Look at that. It's very nice. And go here backside. And each and every corner, the plastic design, the engineer, they done a great job. You look at that. You look at the bottom side. Everything is very nice. Where we are keeping the fingers. Undoubtedly, we can say that it's a well done engineering. Right? Really? And there is a small ventilation. It's not ventilation, to make peep peep sound. Yes, noise. 2D, 1D, whatever it is, keep going, grow your business, and it's very nice. And the second last one, BPS 250 wireless barcode scanner. The same model, the predecessor we saw already, and see this wireless. Open it like that, same like catalog you will get. There is a cable for something different. I will tell you for what purpose they are giving cable. Look at that. This is wireless. When I'm pressing here, started automatically because there is a lithium battery inside. Look at that. There is a stand. Keep it over here. Yes. This is the way. Look at that. This is the way we can keep it in your table. And this cable, from the bottom side, the cable is connecting to the computer. So that all time it will be charged, the battery will be charged, and you can keep it over here. Whenever you require it, you can just take it and scan it into the barcodes. And there is a chip. Normally, for the wireless barcode scanner, there is a small chip you are connecting to the computer. But for this barcode scanner, it's completely different scenario. Means the chip is already inbuilt into this stand. So you don't need to plug another chip to your PC. Look at that. It's so simple, so cute. And the design, little bit difference from the predecessor, but it looks so elegant actually. The illumination you can see in the back side, there is a green color illumination in the back side. Look at that. So fantastic engineering again. And here in the bottom side, it's something different because there is a charging port is there so that the copper strips, you can find it over there. Look at that. And it is 2D plus 1D. Both you can scan at a time. And look at that. It's very nice, very easy, very cute. In each angle, it's beautiful. Really, really. Once you keep it in your table, in your retail table, so the people will give you the attention to these products. Of course, the people attention's eye-catching products. You can see simply. We can say simply, yes. So we will jump into the last and final one. This model really, really, I like from my heart. You know why? BPS 700P. And this is tabletop barcode scanner. The design, you can see that. There is a catalog is there as it is. And there is a cable. And look at the machine. Yes. Look at that. Very nice. And let me give the power supply on this so that you can see you can enjoy the engineering, skill. The illumination, everything will start. Look at that. You just simply connect it. Very easy. With a small sound, it can plug it. And for giving a small power supply, I just connect it with my power bank, no problem. Oh, very nice. Look at that. Remove this cover so that you will enjoy the beauty completely. Look at that. In 4 side, there is a illumination is there. Look at that. Wow. And there is one more thing. The light will not be always on. When the object is coming in front of the scanner, automatically there is a sensor is there. Sensor will detect the object and the illumination will start. It will get ready for scan. Now look at that. There is no lights right now. And I am moving my hand in front of that. Automatically started the illumination. Look at that. And that capability is there. That quality of engineering is there. And that is the scanner. The model number is BPS 700P. And look at that. Up, down, up, down, up, down. It's very nice. And look at the ears. Look at that. And the crown. Look at the crown in the top. Yes. Super awesome. Nice looking. Wow. And I really thank to the engineer who designed this product. Well done eye-catching products. As I told you before, once you keep this product in your table, of course, the customer, it's eye-catching product actually. He will look into your scanner rather than your product, I think, rather than to any other things, I think. Yes, such kind of elegance is there for this kind of product, this BPS 700P. Thank you so much for watching this video. Welcome to Retail Daddy.